This is letter A. A is for apple. This is letter B. B is for butterfly. This is letter C. C is for cat. This is letter D. D is for dog. This is letter E. E is for elephant. This is letter F. F is for frog. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. This is letter G. G is for girl. This is letter H. H is for hut. This is letter I. I is for ice cream. This is letter J. J is for jaguar. This is letter K. K is for kangaroo. This is letter L. L is for lion. This is letter M. M is for mango. This is letter N. N is for nest. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. This is letter O. O is for orange. This is letter P. P is for parrot. This is letter Q. Q is for queen. This is letter R. R is for rabbit. This is letter S. S is for sun. This is letter T. T is for tomato. This is letter U. U is for umbrella. This is letter V. V is for bus. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. This is letter W. W for watch. This is letter X. X for X-ray. This is letter Y. Y is for yak. This is letter Z. Z is for zebra. Hello kids, if you liked my video, please don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and bell icon जरूर दबाएं.